Today we are going to perform experiment number 17 to perform and report identification test on the given sample of sulfamethoxazole as per IP. So here you can see that the category or pharmaceutical category of sulfamethoxazole is drug that deals with its pharmaceutical and medicinal uses like pharmaceutical aid and analgesic. The description of the drug is it is available as white or almost white crystalline powder and it is odorless. In case of solubility, we have to check the solubility in different solvent. The drug, that is sulfamethoxazole, is freely soluble in acetone, alcohol, slightly soluble in chloroform and ether, practically insoluble in water, and it dissolves in a dilute solutions of sodium hydroxide. So here you can see that this is the powder of sulfamethoxazole. Actually, this has been prepared by using the sulfamethoxazole tablet, which is having the sulfamethoxazole as a main ingredient. But here, as it consists of diluent and excipients, you may not get that much clear result as given in the lab manual. So by looking at the powder, you can see that it is available as white color powder, which is crystalline and odorless.
हे असं ठेवायचं, थोडं साईडला हे कचरा असा त्यात असल्यासारखा दिसतो. बरं, कुठं सुरुवात करायचं आहे?
बॉटलमध्ये नाही,
ॲसिटोनची बॉटल दाखवा फक्त मावशी. मोकळी बॉटल होती बघा तिथं, दाखवा.
सोल्युबल आहे ना
ॲसिटोनला ना? हां वॉटरमध्ये चालेल. मग इनसोल्युबलच दिलं ॲसिटोन. नाही, पण इथं फ्रीली सोल्युबल इन ॲसिटोन दिलंय मॅडम. हे चुकीचं लिहिलंय मग पोरांनी. फ्रीली सोल्युबल इन ॲसिटोन दिलंय
अँड अल्कोहोल.
अल्कोहोल. हां, मग अल्कोहोलच का ॲसिटोन ऐवजी? पण ते दिसेल ना तुम्ही.
आपल्याला इथेनॉलचेच solubility for ethanol. Actually this should be freely soluble in ethanol, but you may see that there are some particles which are insoluble in ethanol, and that are nothing but the diluent and excipients which are present in the tablet. So we can say that the drug is freely soluble in ethanol. Then next we are going to check the solubility in chloroform. So here I have taken few quantity of sample and going to add chloroform. The drug is slightly soluble in chloroform. Drug is slightly soluble. You can see that it is slightly soluble in chloroform. Solubility in case of diethyl ether, that is nothing but ether. So compound plus few ml of ether. Here also the drug is slightly soluble. You can see. Next we have to check the solubility in case of water. So compound plus few ml of water. It is practically insoluble. You can see that the powder is floating on the top of the water. So it is practically insoluble. Lastly, we are going to check the solubility in case of sodium hydroxide solution. So here compound plus sodium hydroxide, few ml. You can see that the drug is soluble in sodium hydroxide. Now we are going to perform the identification test. A. For that we have to dissolve 5 mg of the substance in hydrochloric acid and which has to be added 1 ml and water 10 ml. To the resulting mixture, without further acidification, we have to test it for the presence of primary aromatic amines. So for that, to the above solution, we are going to add sodium nitrite solution. After 2 minutes, we are going to add beta-naphthol, that is 2-naphthol solution. If we obtain the orange red color, it indicates that the sulfamethoxazole or the primary aromatic amine is present. So compound here plus hydrochloric acid near about 1 ml. Then we have to add little bit of or approximately 10 ml of water. Then to this resulting mixture we are going to add this sodium nitrite solution. Add after 2 minutes we are going to add this is beta-naphthol or 2-naphthol solution. So here you can see that orange color develops. What it usually a precipitate of the same color is produced. You can see that the precipitate is moving upward. So it indicates the presence of sulfamethoxazole. Next test is determination of melting point. Here the drug melts between 169 to 172 degree centigrade and this is the structure of sulfamethoxazole. And in case of result, what you are going to write down? The given sample of sulfamethoxazole complies the test A and B. Okay. Shall write the test number from the observation table and does not complies कि यहाँ पे आप क्या करोगे? Dash करोगे. Okay. So this is your experiment number 17. What is the category of this sulfamethoxazole? It is antibacterial.